Imagine opening your credit report and seeing someone else's debt. It's not fraud. It's not a mistake you made. It could be a mixed credit file, and it's more common than you think. Hi, in this video, I will explain to you what is a mixed credit report. I will also tell you what you need to do when someone else's information appears on your credit report. A mixed credit file happens when credit bureaus confuse you with someone else, usually because of a similar name, address, or social security number. This leads to accounts you don't recognize, missed payments you didn't make, and damage to your credit score you didn't cause. It can be triggered by something as simple as a data entry error, a shared home address, or just one wrong digit in your social security number. Look for these red flags: unknown names or addresses, loans or debts that aren't yours, a sudden credit score drop for no reason. If this sounds familiar, act fast. 3 things you need to do. First, download your credit reports from all 3 bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Second, dispute the incorrect info in writing. List every error and provide proof of your identity. Lastly, call a credit dispute attorney. Mixed files are complicated, and credit bureaus don't always fix them. That's where legal help makes a difference. Our law firm has helped hundreds of people fix mixed credit files, recover from reporting damage, and hold credit bureaus accountable under the law. Seeing accounts that aren't yours? Let's fix that. Visit sueyourcreditreport.com or call us for a free consultation today.